In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cross-post with Sprout Social Publishing Tool. Cross-posting lets you create a single post and publish it across multiple social networks right from Sprout Social's Compose tool. It saves time, keeps your messaging consistent, and helps you reach audiences where they already are without rebuilding the same post over and over. Start by opening the Compose window. In your Sprout Social dashboard, click the Compose button at the top. This opens the post editor where you'll craft your message. Think of this as your central workspace for everything you're about to publish. Next, look for the Profile Picker. Here, choose all the profiles and networks you want to post to, such as your Facebook page, LinkedIn company page, X, or your Instagram business profile. You can select multiple profiles at once. This tells Sprout Social you're preparing a single post that will go out to more than one platform. Before moving on, make sure you've chosen the accounts that make sense for the message you're sharing and that they're properly connected in Sprout. Now write your text caption. Keep your core message clear and aligned with your brand voice. Because this is your base message, aim for wording that works across platforms. Keep an eye on character limits, especially for networks that are more restrictive, and consider how hashtags or mentions might appear differently depending on the channel. If you're including a link, paste it into the caption so Sprout can generate the preview and make sure it reads well at a glance. Add your visuals and other enhancements. Attach images or videos that support the message and include any relevant emojis or links. This set of media becomes the base for every selected network, so choose formats and aspect ratios that display cleanly across platforms. If your content is video, double-check length and size so it can publish everywhere you've selected without issues. When your post looks good, decide how you want it to go live. Choose Send. Now if you want the content to publish to all selected profiles at the same moment. This is great for announcements that need to hit every channel at once. Alternatively, select Schedule to set a specific date and time for the cross-posted content. This is helpful for reaching audiences in different time zones or aligning with campaign timing. Pick the times that match when your followers are most active, and Sprout will handle the rest. That's it. Open Compose, pick your profiles, write your base message, attach your media, and either send it now or schedule it. With these steps, you'll cross-post confidently and consistently in minutes.